Ready to ditch those hefty phone bills and join the Mint Mobile revolution? Let's get that SIM card installed and activated in under 90 seconds. First things first, locate the SIM tray on your phone. It's usually found on the side, but sometimes it's on the top or bottom, depending on your phone model. Grab your SIM ejector tool. It usually comes with your phone or Mint Mobile SIM kit inserted firmly into the tiny hole next to the SIM tray. Apply gentle pressure until the tray pops open slightly. Don't force it, or you might damage your phone. Carefully pull the tray out completely now. Take a look at the SIM card slot. Notice the shape and any notches that will help with alignment. This is important. Grab your Mint Mobile SIM card and align it with the tray's shape. The golden contacts should be facing down. Make sure it sits flush in the tray. Now gently slide the SIM tray back into the phone, making sure it's fully closed and flush with the phone's surface. Power on your phone. It may take a few moments to recognize the new SIM card. If it doesn't automatically activate, follow the activation instructions from Mint Mobile and you should be up and running in no time. Welcome to Mint Mobile.